Hello, I am Anuj. This project analyzes the global weather repository dataset and builds a classification model to predict weather conditions using meteorological and air quality indicators. I'll quickly walk through the data preparation, EDA, modeling, tuning with Optuna, and handling class imbalance with SMOTE. All code and results are in the notebook and the repo readme. First, I import the required libraries. Here I load the CSV into df and preview the data using df.head. Then I check its shape, missing values and data types. Finally, I drop duplicates to make sure that data is clean. I then look at the distribution of the countries and cities using value counts. Here for visual EDA, I use Plotly helper functions to compare cities. Here's the top 10 highest and lowest precipitation shown in two panes subplot. For spatial context, I also plotted a global scatter map using px.scatter_geo so you can see where the observations are clustered. For modeling, I have focused on a compact high signal feature set. I created new_df with latitude, longitude, temperature and fields like temperature, wind speed, gust speed and wind direction, precipitation, humidity, cloud cover, UV index and several air quality indicators. The target variable is condition_text which represents the weather conditions. I handled outliers using the IQR method for features like temperature, fields like temperature, wind speed and precipitation. This reduces the influence of extreme values while keeping the data meaningful. After that, I checked distribution and relationships using Seaborn like histogram pair plots by condition and line plots such as temperature versus wind speed. Next, I split the data into 80:10 train test split. I standardized the features using standard scalar and trained a random forest classifier as a base model. Here I report the accuracy along with the confusion matrix and classification reports so we can see class-wise performance. To improve performance, I have used Optuna for Hyperparameter Optimization. The objective function samples the number of estimators, maximum depth, and split leaf parameters for random forest. After running study.optimize, I applied the best hyperparameters and evaluated on the test set. You can see the best trial score and the final test accuracy here. Finally, because the classes are imbalanced, I applied SMOTE to oversample minority classes. After resampling, I retained the tuned random forest and printed the classification report again. This improved recall for in summary, I cleaned and explored global weather data, engineered a focused feature set, handled outliers, trained and turned a random forest using Optuna, and balanced the classes using SMOTE, validated with accuracy and detail metrics. All code figures and the notebook are in my repository. The shared link is opens the view and access. Thank you.